Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the help us confirm you own this account issue on Hotmail. So first, go to the Outlook login page. You can type the URL or just search for it, whatever is easier. Once you're there, click on the sign in button. Okay, and log in as usual. Next, look for your profile icon up in the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, head to the Microsoft account homepage. This is where you manage your info and account settings across Microsoft services. Once you're on your account homepage, find the section labeled Your Info. Click on that and then look for Sign-in Preferences. Here, you can manage your sign-in methods. Make sure your phone number is up to date. This is really important for account recovery. You can also add a recovery email if you haven't already. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. Once it looks good, you're done. This will help you pass Microsoft's security checks and resolve that prompt issue. And that's it. You've now updated your info and secured your account. Thanks for watching and reach out if you have any questions.